Now is the perfect time to enter the captivating world of game design, where creativity meets innovation and passion becomes a career. The game design industry is thriving like never before, with millions of passionate gamers worldwide eagerly awaiting the next groundbreaking gaming experience. As a game designer, you'll have the power to shape these immersive digital realms. By learning game design skills, you are opening up new career pathways and opportunities as a designer. Our Game Design Bootcamp contains 6 units, each tailored to teach you the skills necessary to succeed in the industry. This course is structured around project-based learning, where you will gain practical skills while working on real-world projects to build a solid foundation for a career in game design. Over the course of 30 weeks, you will learn to analyze game design elements, create functioning game prototypes, design game mechanics, and conceive and test novel gameplay concepts. You will also learn about the role of a game designer, its various specializations, and how they fit into video game production. You'll participate in live online sessions and labs with an expert instructor and get access to office hours, one-on-one support, and our community of passionate professionals to collaborate with and build your network.
Going through these programs, you learn very quickly that you are learning a lot very fast, but you're applying it as you learn it. And that's something that you're not going to get by just watching a YouTube, tutorial or copying somebody else's project or script off of GitHub. You might have a functioning project, but you really won't have that understanding to take what that script does or what that tutorial is telling you and apply it to something completely new. And that's something that, CircuitStream really excels at. Everything you learn, they take it down to the grassroots all the way up to the advanced levels, really make sure you understand it so that way you can apply it to yourself.
Everyone was very positive and really wanting to help you out no matter what, from students to teachers. There was so much there that CircuitStream does to have students come in and feel welcome.
Live classes, office hours, and a community of professionals to join and still stay as an alumni even after the course is over.
Every time I share my work, people are very active in the comment and the feedback, which opens my eye and then wanted to improve my project more. Through CircuitStream, I was able to find one of my friends who now I'm working in game projects together.
It was a really special experience, not only because of the amount of care that is put into educating all of us students, just the format and the method of delivering the content was really well thought out, and it was really creatively presented so that you really maximize the amount of stuff that you learn.
Are you ready to turn your dreams into reality? Apply now